Hi, welcome to Camtasia 2020 Professional Edition of online courses and promotional videos. In this course, we'll learn from scratch to record, capture, and edit video content for online courses and promotional or explanatory videos. Camtasia 2020 is one of the most used tools for creating online courses, screenshots, professional video editing for promotional, advertisements, and explanatory videos. It is used by online teachers to capture and record their courses and by audiovisual content creators to record and edit their videos with professional finishes. The course is divided into several sections. In the first section, we'll learn how to download and install Camtasia 2020. We'll study the entire interface and how all its main modules are arranged. In the second section, we'll delve into the mastery of all audio, video, and image editing tools. We'll master the timeline and the canvas. In the third section, we'll learn to configure Camtasia for voice capture with microphones and screen capture with the recorder. In the fourth section, we'll learn all the types of screen and voice capture that we can do with Camtasia 2020 for the creation of online courses and explanatory videos. In the fifth section and sixth section, we'll do real practices. We'll create a video introduction for our courses and we'll publish it from the script to the complete assembly, a promotional video for an online course. In the following sections, we will learn the use of advanced Camtasia tools that will allow us to enrich our videos with texts, animations, sound effects, color, retouching effects, advanced behaviors, interactivity, and video subtitles. We will study template and theme management to streamline the workflow in high volumes of video productions. We will study and delve into all the available video export formats and learn how to create our own export presets. It is the most complete and updated online course in English of Camtasia 2020. 100% focused professional video editing and screen capture for online courses. You will receive a unique certificate when you complete the course. You will have immediate access to more than 12 hours of video and all of the course materials. You will have immediate instructor support during the whole course. You'll be part of the private community of Facebook students. You can enjoy the whole course at any time and on all devices with lifetime access. I invite you to watch the presentation video with the complete CV of the entire course. I'll be waiting for you at the course. Thank you very much.